Suzuki GS1100G follow-up on the seal replacements. This is the primary shaft of the transmission. Now there's a seal to reach this seal here. I have to remove this section, which is locked. The bearing removes like this, and then you have a little spacer and put over here. Now there are two locks inside there, and what I've made myself is they say it takes a special tool, but what I made is just, it's a standard 6mm bolt with nut, and this is just a angle square piece of aluminum which I cut, and it goes straight over it, and the screw just screws in the shaft like so, and then all you have to do is tighten the nut. That's a 10mm spanner, and tighten the vise a little bit more, and then as you tighten it, it compresses the spring to a point where you can remove the two locks that are in here like so. And once that is done, well, you just one lock remove, and this is the other one. Can't seem to be getting able to get at holding the camera at the same time. And then you just unscrew it back, to release the tension. Almost done. There's almost no more pressure left on there, and you remove the nut, the bolt, and there you go. You have your spring removed. There's a spacer, and then there's the hub, and there's the other hub, which also has a seal in it, which I'll just remove the circlip and replace that seal, and that's it. Other than that, the other seal is over here. Only thing you have to look out for is when you're putting back this part here, it has two notches, and the notches have to be placed where this hole is there, so they line up. That's the only thing you have to look out for. So that's pretty well the process. So I'll be changing the seals, and next video I guess the engine will be pretty well, the case, putting back the case in place, sealing it, and that's about it. So thanks for watching.